This video is completely dedicated for musical instrument guitar lovers.
Hi friends, today we are unboxing the guitar which we have brought from Flipkart. It's a Flipkart SmartBuy we have brought, and it's a 36 inch, and the description has been written on the comment. And now we can unbox the product. How's the review of the product? And it is totally been packed. It is totally been packed with a one single wrap. Let's see the review of the product. Now we are unboxing the guitar. It's a blue color in the color, and they have given produced one black bag to cover the guitar, and in this there is a strap to, and strings are there, guitar strings, and this is a invoice and no manual instruction how to use it. Packing is good as per the Flipkart genuine product. It is been packed very well, and they have provided safety covers also, and they have given safety bags also to cover the guitar from preventing from the damages. Oh, this is a guitar which is in blue color, and it has been unboxed in front of you, and we have brought it today only. Finally we have unboxed the guitar, and this is the guitar which we are seeing, and build quality is also good, and finish is also good, and guitar strings are well. Finally, it is a good budgeted guitar which you can use for practicing or any light functions at the home. It is a budgeted guitar only. You can play it at home, any functions or any outings. You can give a surprise to anyone with this guitar, or you can gift it also. I have presented this to my wife, so you can also give this to your any relatives or friends or your girlfriends, anyone.
Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.